Here is how to put countdown timer on your Instagram story. For that, open your Instagram, click on the story icon, go to create. Here you can put any of the colors that you want and go to the sticker. So here you can find countdown or you can go for the search countdown. So let's tap on that and here you can see you can set date and time. You can select any of the month. So I'm selecting this September and you can select date that whatever you want. Here you can go for the countdown name. That countdown name may be your birthday or some other's birthday. It may be a party or it may be a weekend or it may be a summer thing. Whatever that you can mention over here. So I go for the birthday party and you can change this countdown timer colors also by tapping on this little circle icon over here. So tap on that. You can have colors. So likewise you can change. So I'm selecting this. So you can tag people like this. You can add location. You can go for adding music. This is how you can put countdown timer on your Instagram story.